Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my first official YouTube video here on MXRevamp. This is my 2009 KLX140L that I've entered into the Pryme bike build contest. I bought it originally for $500. As you can see, it's in pretty rough condition. I got it with it missing the side panels on both sides. It's missing the chain guard, the seat's ripped. And it was missing the front brake lever, but I had one lying around, so I just threw that one on so I could ride it for the summer. But we got a lot of work to do. I have quite a few things that I want to put on this and change up on it. I got new bars. I'm going to put big size bars on it. I got different graphics, and I bought a FMF exhaust for it since the stock exhaust has a huge hole in it and a small one, which isn't good. The back end of the bike's kind of tweaked. I think the kid that had it before me looped it out when trying to wheelie it, since he lost the side panels. But I'm going to start tearing this down, and this is going to be my teardown video.
Evans. 27 hearts beat.
Alright, I think this is a good stopping point. I took off a bunch of stuff. Took off the handlebars, took all the controls off the handlebars, all the plastics that were on it off. I took the chain off, and a few other things. This is going to be the end of my teardown video. The next video is going to be cleaning it up and probably removing a few small things like the sprocket in the back and then those spoke skins. Next week I'll have some more content on this bike, and hopefully we can start putting it back together pretty soon. I'm gonna have similar content to this, mostly dirt bike builds and probably some dirt bike riding. So if that's what you're into, then go right ahead and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you drop a like on this video. Thanks for watching.